Okay, everybody, we're still at the Bellamy Well here at the bottom of Gansner Ravine and Gansner Creek. But Frank was just talking about how make sure that the water is healthy to drink.
So once a month, you guys, we have to test the water for coliform. Let's a quick little lesson on coliform. Coliform is everywhere, you guys. It's in the air that we breathe. It's in the water that we, well, possibly the water that we drink. But but just to let you know, coliform is an indicator that something is starting to happen. Okay, so don't get really worried about. Back in time, as an operator, we were really worried when we'd get a coliform hit. But now we've been taught and told that it's not as scary as we thought. It's just an indicator something is starting to happen or is in your water right now, so you need to do something about it. And the way to do something about it is you can flush, like from a fire hydrant, just flush the bugs out. That has worked. Or we have to chlorinate. We don't treat or chlorinate all the time right now. We are very lucky. So we don't have to, as a drinking water system, we don't have to chlorinate. So we are very lucky. I know if you guys go to Reno or to Sacramento and if you were to take a drink, you'd be like, yeah, it just doesn't taste that good. Doesn't taste like home. Well, it's because you guys, we're on top of the mountain and the water just doesn't get any better than this pretty much. Okay, so feel very fortunate. But anyway, back to coliform. This is one way that we test for it. We test monthly, and we have a known station that we know is locked and no one is going to mess with it, or there's really no contamination. We know this is going to be a clean sample site. So this is one station where we would sample once a month to make sure our drinking water is safe for you to drink. That's it.
Awesome. Thanks, Frank. And you guys, one thing to piggyback on what Frank was saying, when we do the Plumas to Pacific trip, we actually do taste tests all the way from the Plumas to Pacific. And as we go through different towns, municipalities, we taste test. And trust me, when we do our taste test in Quincy, we're all rocking 10s. But by the time we get down into the valley, we're getting down in the 2s and 3s. It's safe to drink, but it is not the most tasty to drink because they have to do so much to it to take all those living things out of the water and make it safe for your belly. But it definitely, they're not looking out for your tongue, they're looking out for your tummy. So keep that in mind. All right.